आप देख रहे हैं पाक न्यूज, पाकिस्तान की आवाज।
With her wealth of experience and dedication, Ms. Shumaila has been instrumental in making this program a resounding success. Let's welcome her with a big round of applause and please present your presentation.
Alumni of and what is Teaching Excellence and Achievement Grant. Teaching Excellence is a program that is offered to every year for Pakistani secondary school teachers and English language teachers, government and federal and non-profitable organization teachers. And it's a 6 weeks long professional development course, and it's in any university of Nebraska, in the state, any state and university in USA. So since for last 3 years, University of Nebraska is selected for T program. So University of Nebraska, please next slide. Yes. So there are some stakeholders. Partners are Regional English Language Office, that is the Department of US Embassy, who have English programs and they are launching. So T program is one of the new programs. Vision Building Future is an organization in last 10 to 20 minutes, we are going to have a session by Program Officer of Vision Building Future, who is virtually going to be with us. So Vision Building Future is a bridge between US Embassy and Pakistani candidates. So they are going to select. University of Nebraska, Omaha. Yes, this university has 15,000 students enrolled and 200 plus programs of study, and more than 100 years they are serving for the sake of English language promotion. So what does T program offer? If someone, this is for the people who want to apply for the T program, it offers J1 visa, pre-departure orientation, round-trip affair and travel within the US. Wherever you have to, within 6 weeks you have to go to US, they are going to bear the expenditures. And a welcome workshop at the University of Nebraska, Omaha. Tuition fee, traveling expenditures, accommodation, everything is on their expense. And housing, yes, and accident and sickness charges, and transportation, and a trip to Washington DC and the others. So we visited South Dakota, Nebraska and Washington DC. So T alumni small grants, but when alumni get back, they are offered with grants so that the alumni can go to their own community. Just I was from Gujarat, so I implemented it in my own community in Gujarat. So what is the purpose of this? The purpose is to bring the knowledge and skills gained during T exchange program back to our own community. To improve the standards of English language teaching, evaluation and assessments by planning and implementing a course, various ELT topics, and to elevate the quality of teacher training by embracing and integrating the latest ELT approaches. So basically, the purpose of T grant is to uplift the standard of ELT. So it was my journey, T 2022, University of Nebraska. It was between March and April 2022. So peak ELT, what peak ELT is, as I was asking, so for you sir, practice and execution of advanced knowledge of English language teaching. It's not merely the practice, but through micro teaching sessions, all the participants practiced and they got the constructive feedback. With that, they executed all those skills that they learned into the course. So it was 5 weeks professional development course. This is something that you can see. Fostering ELT skills, these were the objectives, and transmitting the advanced pedagogical skills, analyzing micro-teaching group presentations, and forming a community of practice. The long-term impact of this course is that a community of practice is going to form of ELT practitioners in the community of Gujarat. So program details is, it started from 6th December from January. So today is the last day and last credit hours are going on. 22 prime participants were there and 60 for alternate and 60 credit hours. This was the plan that we made. Yes, next please. This was the last brochure that we published. Can you just go to the last? Yes. This was the brochure that we published so that everyone can apply for that. Yes. So course contents were, okay, here I want to emphasize on one thing. The content that I included were the contents, those are the really competencies in national curriculum. These are the 5 competencies, those are catered by single national curriculum now. In English course. Oral communication skills, which include listening and speaking. Writing skills, reading and critical thinking skills, grammar and lexical aspects of language, social and ethical aspects of language, and I added here the micro teaching presentations. So there were the perks of this free of cost training, resource materials, all were free, stipend for the traveling expenditures, those were given to the participants, and that was 10,000 for 5 weeks. Mentoring by qualified and experienced guest speakers, certificates, and professional networking, that is the ultimate goal of this course. The value to be considered in selection of T program. So there is an open offer since I am the part of the selection panel for the T program. So I will recommend now all these 26 participants if anyone applies. So these were the guest speakers. We had Dr. Imran Aslam. He was the part of all these trainings. Yes, please. Next. So Professor Rashidullah Bhatt, yes, everyone knows, associate retired professor, and yes, he is the author. So I selected him for the writing skills. Since he is the writer and author, so I selected him for the writing skills. Mr. Naim Shahzad, he is here. He is the D alumni. I want to give a big round of applause to him as well. Mr. Naim Shahzad went to University of Nebraska in 2023, and he is a D alumni also. So the execution. ये पहले तो वो सारी बातें थी जो हमने propose की थी. So I got 86 applications and 26 were finalized. Prime were 22 and there were alternate 4 candidates also. So public sector से हमारे पास 12 लोग थे और private sector से हमारे पास 14. And there were 10 sessions which concluded 60 credit hours at Cairo, Gujarat. And yes, I told that ELT skills, all these contents. Yes, next please. Next please. So these were the classroom activities that they did: onion ring, slam the board, board race, Simon Says, mannequin challenge, running dictation, ladder, running story, fruit salad, and there were many other that I did not include here. So web tools, they went with, there were certain websites that I designed some sort of questionnaires for them and some activities like Maggie.com and Padlet. And yes, they did ranking on them, word cloud and quizzes. And there were Google Forms also, so the pre-post tests were on the Google Forms and feedback also. So live podcast and the videos were also involved in this. So there were some extra skills that these participants, ये भी तो हम content की बात कर रहे थे, तो indirectly there were some extra skills that they just developed in. The really very good thing that I noticed in all the participants, that was the collaboration. Collaboration, they learned how to collaborate with each other and how to help each other, with the help of each other, how they can learn a lot. And time management, behavior management, how to behave in a group dynamics सीखी इन्होंने. And professional networking and capacity building and publishing. You see, कितने लोगों का videography में experience हो गया. They were making videos of their pictures and publishing. How to tag some organizations on Facebook. This is from our classrooms. So ranking on Mentally.com, that was going on there.
The restrictions are at the first.
teacher there? So these are remarks from Wasim Rafiq, Monitoring and Evaluation Officer from India.
This is the one of the best classrooms. We are very happy to see all of you environment in the life of such a nice learning environment. तो आप सब बड़ी मुबारकबाद की मुस्ताहिद में शी वेरी मनाए अपनी प्रोग्राम। हम जानते हैं कि सलाही को हम पर्सनलाइज करते हैं और वे टीचिंग जो वो हमने लिख दिया और हमें पता है कि इससे ज़्यादा है।
आप देख रहे हैं पाक न्यूज, पाकिस्तान की आवाज।